loves, what's going on, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Before I jump into the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. Oh my god, I can't believe so many people have subscribed to my channel. Actually, when I filmed this video, I was at 700 plus subscribers. I took so long to edit this video, guys, but it's finally up. So today I'll be doing passion twist and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So here I'm just parting my hair as neatly as possible into some sections. The hair I'll be using is Crochet passion twist hair. I'll show you the hair later on in the video, but I'll be using two methods, the individual crochet method and the normal crochet method. So this section that you see me parting is where I'll be doing the individual method and I'll just be doing 2 rows. So I'm using the edge booster just to make sure my hair is sleek before plaiting the sections. I'll be doing a plait and twist combination. I plait the first ½ inch from my roots, then twist the rest of my hair. So after I finish plaiting and twisting the first 2 rows of my hair, I'm just going to put it away so I can deal with the back section. So the back section of my hair, I'm going to put into cornrows. And I wasn't really focused on the parting because I know it wasn't going to show, but I made sure that my braids were small and tight enough for me to crochet the hair on without it getting loose. And I don't mean tight as in painfully tight, but just that the twist would stay in place. And that's why I love doing my own hair, because I can determine how tight or how loose I want my hair to be, and I can make it tight enough but not tight to where it is going to cause me discomfort. So this is what my braiding pattern looks like. This is the hair that I'll be using. It's very nice and bouncy. So I'm going to start with the individual method in the 2 front rows. At first, I was unsure about how to cover my natural hair with the passion twist, so I tried using the crochet needle to push through the passion twist, then pull my hair down. This was somewhat effective, but very time consuming because I had to be doing it multiple times until my hair was fully covered. So I decided to try a different method, which is what I did throughout the rest of the video for the individual sections. So this is exactly what I do for the individual method. I insert my crochet hook right at the root of my hair. Then I add the passion twist hair on it, lock the hook, pull it through. Then I open up the top of the twist and pull the end through it to create a little knot. So after I do that, I open up the passion twist and wrap it around my natural hair so that my hair is covered, and I continue to do that until I get to the end of my natural hair. So as I get to the end of my natural hair, I just add some edge booster to the ends so that it won't be frizzy and peek through the passion twist. So I'm going to show you a close-up of this individual twist just in case you didn't get it the first time. You can just watch and see exactly how I do it. For the back section of my hair where I have the cornrows, I just did the regular crochet method, which is to push the needle underneath the cornrow, attach the passion twist to the hook, pull it through, open the top of the twist and pull the end through, creating a knot. And that's what I did over and over again until I covered all the gaps and it was full and thick and it didn't look like crochet, right? Because we don't want the partings showing. So I did it until all the partings were covered, and that's why I wasn't really focused on whether my partings were neat or not, because only the front individual sections would be obvious. So finally, I'm all done with crocheting, and this is what my hair is looking like so far. But if you guys know me, you know that I cannot do a style without doing my edges. So that's why I'm pulling my hair back. I have to apply the edge booster gel to my hair and just use my old toothbrush to lay my edges and complete the look. So that's how I did my passion twist, and it definitely does not look like crochet hair. Well, from my point of view. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Have you ever tried this method before? Will you be trying it? Do you like my results? Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.